Hello guys! I'm here na. Kain ko lang sa tala. This was Hello! Good morning everyone! Maayong bugtan sa inyong tanan. Guten Morgen sa Germany! Hello! Wow! 300k viewers. 300 viewers pala. OA. Good morning everyone! Hello! Grabe naman! Ano ba yan? Patulog na sana. Gumising pa, no? I'm nesting for you forever. Good morning, everyone! Hello, hello, hello! Guys, nag-live ako sa IG kasi meron akong announcement. Ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba kayo sa ating announcement? Ready na ba? I-follow nyo po ako sa IG. Follow nyo ako dito sa IG. Gumising para manood ng live ko, eh! Guys, ito na. Meron akong special announcement. Let's go, special announcement. Ready na? Pag 300 na ulit yung viewers natin, i-announce ko na. Okay, pag 300 viewers na, i-announce ko na. Pag 300, padamihin muna natin yung viewers natin. Pag 300, i-announce na natin. I-share nyo na yung live ko muna. May share live ba dito? Share live muna, share live, share live. May share live ba dito? Si ate na nakatambay sa gilid. Ay, sa gilid. Hello, good morning everyone. Hello. Dali, malapit na tayo mag 300 ulit. Dali, malapit na tayo mag 300. Pag 300 na tayo, mag-a-announce na ako. Game. Pag 300 na ha, mag-a-announce na ako ng mga sasabihin. Hala, hindi natin kailangan nun para dumami yung viewers natin. Anong preggy? Wala nga akong boyfriend. Preggy talaga? No. Hello from London. Hello, AG Lag. Hello. Hello, BBville. Ay guys, kung gusto niyo ng balato naman, para naman to sa mga gusto ng balato. Sa mga gusto ng balato guys, sumali na kayo sa Balato Coco sa Facebook. I have group Balato Coco, okay? Just search on Facebook Balato Coco. Ayan. Hello! Maayong bugtan sa inyong tanan. Seryoso, walang BF. Wala nga. Wala. Hello, Boss Amo. Ayan, thank you. Thank you po sa mga nanonood sa Tala Live po. Ito na nga, i-announce ko na guys. Magpapa-follow lang po ako sa Tala. Yun lang pala. Go! So, yun, ayan, guys. Follow nyo ako sa Tala, guys. Hoy, Lewi! Ba't ka nanonood ng live ko? Follow nyo po ako sa Tala Live. Yes. Yung ID ko ay... Feeling ko may magta-type dyan ng ID ko kasi hindi ko memorize yung ID ko. So, feeling ko may magta-type ng ID ko dyan. Sinong magta-type ng ID ko sa Tala? Yung mga followers ko at viewers ko sa Tala, sinong nakakaalam? Lahat tulog na. Nagpo-promote pa ako ng Tala ID. Game! Pa-type ako ng Tala ID natin. Dali. Hoy, yung mga gusto ng balato, ulitin ko. Yung gusto ng mga balato, sumali po kayo sa aking group, Balato Coco. Okay? Balato Coco. Sali po kayo sa ating group, Balato Coco. Yes, Balato Coco. Sali po kayo sa ating group, Balato Coco. I-search nyo lang po Balato Coco sa Facebook. Mag-join na po kayo. Mag-a-accept ako ngayon na ngayon. Hoy, Dan! Hello. Okay. I-search nyo lang sa Facebook, Balato Coco. Mag-a-approve ako ngayon. Mag-a-approve. Paldo si Coco. No! Balato Coco. Balato. Charlotte, Dan. Huwag mong subukan. Masisira yung buwan. So, ayan na, Mark Gondra. Thank you always. So, guys, ito yung ating ID sa Tala ID. Ito yung ating ID. 44-58-196. Tama ba? Wait, i-double check ko. Walang tiwala. Hindi naman, pero double check ko lang. So, yung ID ko, guys, sa Tala ay... Aso na yun? 44-98-156. Yes. 44-98-156. Yun po yung aking Tala ID. 44-98-156. Follow nyo po ako sa Tala, guys. Mag-download na kayo ng Tala app. Okay? Mag-download na kayo ng Tala app. 44-98-156. Yun po yung aking Tala ID. 44-98-156. Yes, tama. Tama. 44-98-156. OnlyFans! Wala po akong OnlyFans. Hindi ko kaya mag-OnlyFans. I can't. 44-98-156. Yun po yung Tala ID ko, guys. Thank you. Hello, Gabo! No, hindi yung lending app. Oh my God. Tala Live. Tala Live. Search nyo, Tala Live. Hindi yung Tala Lending, ha? Oh my God. Tala app. Tala app. Tala app, yes. Are you proud to be Asian? Of course. I'm from Philippines, guys. Yes. I'm not from Indonesia. Because a lot of people, they know that I'm from Indonesia. No, I'm from Philippines. Yes. Ano ba yung Tala? Tala app. Mag-download na kayo ng Tala app, guys. Please, for me, please download Tala app. And follow me on Tala app, please. Yung ID ko is... Shit, nakalimutan ko na naman. Yung ID ko is 44-98-156. Uulitin ko. 44-98-156. Okay? Thank you guys for following me. And sa Facebook, kung gusto nyo ng balato. Mom Shidagan, I miss you too. And sa Facebook, guys, kung gusto nyo ng balato, sumali na kayo sa ating group. I-search nyo lang, Balato Coco. Yes, mag-a-approve ako ngayon. As in, ngayon na. I-approve ko kayo sa ating Facebook. Balato Coco. I-search nyo lang, Balato Coco. Ayan, nag-approve ako ngayon. Ayan, search nyo lang, Balato Coco. Mag-approve ako ngayon. Maxi! You're watching! I'm so busy. I'm so sorry. Mukha yun. Promotion pala, hindi announcement. Huwag ka nang magalit. Para nga, para lang mukhang exciting. Ikaw naman, hindi ka marunong mag-market. Ikaw naman talaga. Ayan na, meron na tayong request na 22. Ayan, na-approve na natin, guys. Na-approve ko na yung sumali. Yeah, see you on Saturday. It's me, of course, the Viz. Maxi, babe! Thank you for watching. I miss you. Babe, see you on, Huy, bukas kami. Magte-tennis kami ni Ira. Sama ka ba? Magte-tennis kami sa BGC. Yes. Guys, thank you! Sa mga gusto ng Gcash dyan, nagpapa-Gcash ako. Basta sumali ka lang sa group ko, Balato Coco. I-search mo lang Balato Coco. Hello, Gabo! Shawi! I miss you too. Hope to see you soon! Tara sa BGC. Hello, Kaz! Hello! Today is my birthday. I can get some words from you. Hi, Kelvins! Hi, Kelvins! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best and have a good health and more birthdays to come. Hope to see you soon. I see all of them. What I see? Max! Binneyville, hello. What's your rank? What do you mean? Oh, by the way guys, huwag kayong magpapaloko dun sa mga TG na yan. I don't have TG po, okay? So, be careful po. Kasi yung iba nagme-message sa akin, nagbabasa po ako minsan ng request message. So, minsan, nagko-comment sila na naloloko sila sa TG. Wala po akong TG. Wala po akong Telegram. So, mag-ingat po kayo. Just joking. It's okay, Max. Anong profile pic ko sa FB? O, sige. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung Facebook ko. Hello from Germany! Guten Morgen! Hello! I have family in Germany, but they are from Stuttgart. Yeah. My cousins are there. Kens! Birthday mo ba? Hindi nga. Seryoso ba, Kens? Birthday mo, NM mo ko. Thank you, Maxi! I miss you. Watching from Athens. Hello, Soriano. Athens? Thank you, guys. Greetings from New Zealand. Wow! Hello po sa mga taga New Zealand. Hello, everyone. How do you mean you play a game? Oh, I just play Mobile Legends, COD, Valorant, a lot. Ragnarok, Dota, a lot. Hello from Italy. Hello po. Hoy, Ken's birthday mo ba? Seryoso ba? Pa-shout out po yung birthday ko. Birthday mo ba, Ken's? Happy birthday, Ken's, my love. So sweet. Mwah. Thank you for always supporting me in and out. Oh, panis. Haba na na. Are you crazy? Because... Why? I'm not, Maxi. Are you drunk? No. I never get drunk while I'm live. I'm not drunk, guys. How are you, gamers? Like, in pandemic days, I just play a lot of games. So I started my work when I was... Shit, ang hirap mag-English. I like when you smile. Thank you so much. You know, sometimes, guys, it's so hard to speak in English. I understand English. I can speak a little bit, you know, but it's so hard. It's so hard to express sometimes. But I really understand you all. Shall we everyone remove it? Huwag niyo ako tawanan dyan. Bakit? You remember me? Hello, Chester! Nakakasama ka tonight, babe. Sino yun? Hello! Are you still single? Yes, I'm still single. And I'm happy that I'm single right now. Yeah. Because, you know, huwag lang ako mag-English. Ang hirap English. Pero kasi ang dami kong viewers from sa ibang bansa pa talaga. Wish you were here with me in my birthday. Wow! I wish to. Happy birthday! Hello from Paris! Hello, Marky! I've been there in Paris. It's so nice. Super. But it's too romantic for me. Yung profile pic ko sa Facebook. Okay, wait lang, guys. Thank you. Thank you so. No, for a long time. One day she's my Maxi! I'm so kilig. Just search what is the meaning of kilig. Oh my God, Coach! Ba't naman nanonood ka ng live ko, Coach? Coach Kokoy. Ayan, search. Shout out kay Coach. Masarap ba yung Paris overload? Oh my God. Rate Bali 1 to 10. Oh my God, Bali is the best. Like, 100 over 10. I love Bali. Super. You know. Thank you, Max. Ayan na pa yung isang coach. Si Coach Reps King Official. Hello po. I miss you all. Na-miss ko na pong anong tawag dito? Shit! Di ko na sa dulo na nandito ako. Na-miss ko na po actually. Hello, Joseph Butil. Hello. Hello, Lloydie. Hello from Subic. Hello po. Trixie. Okay, Max. Just take care always. Love ya. No, Maxi. Trixie will be mine. Ay, Shala. Shala ka dyan. Talaga. Mag-Spartan! Mag-Spartan. Miss ko na po mag-Spartan. You spelled my name. Hello from UAE. Hello. Hello from San Focali. Hello. Mag-Sparta pala. Sparta. Ano yung Spartan? Sorry, mali. Mag-Sparta. Mag-Sparta. Namiss ko na po mag-Sparta. Thank you, Joseph. Hello from Chicago. Hello. You know, guys, I wish I can go to US. I have my US visa. I'm so thankful that I got my US visa for 10 years, guys. It's multiple visa. And I'm so happy, but I wish I can go to US, but I hope this year. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. More blessings to come. Let's go. And more paldo. More paldo. More paldo sa casino. Joke lang. Dapat talaga. Shout out rin po sa mga bagong pasok. Good morning, everyone. Hello. How to be you po. Ay, grabe naman. Just feel too much me and then was reply like I was drinking a night with my family and I will. Whoa, that's good. Guys, if you have time, just make time for your family, guys. Please. Family is very important. More bembang to come. Grabe naman yun. Huwag naman ganon. Ayan, guys, kung gusto nyo ng balato, uulitin ko ha. Kung gusto nyo ng balato, sumali na kayo sa ating group, Balato Coco. Yes. Balato Coco, i-search nyo lang po sa Facebook, guys. Balato Coco. Sumali na kayo sa group natin. Yes. Thank you. Visit Dubai again. Okay, I will. Dubai is my favorite also. Even it's so expensive in Dubai. It's so much expensive in Dubai, guys. Like, grabe. Namumulubi ako dun. Or feeling ko kasi nagsha-shopping pa ako, kaya ayan tuloy. Hello, how old? I'm 25. 25 years old po. Happy Easter! Thank you sa inyo rin po. Nood ako ng live pagpaldo. Okay, you should watch my live on Facebook, guys. Because if I win in casino, I just give GCash. I give money to all my viewers. To all, not to all my viewers, but to all the one who share my live. Yes. With share badge and the one who following me. Yeah. Hala, naipit na ata. Hindi yung ano ko yun, yung corset ko. Give me chip. I give you chip. Just watch my live, guys. Okay? Yes, I'm from Philippines. Good to see you. Yes, good to see you all, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always... Oh, nagbubuo pala to ng heart. Oh my God, ang cute. Pag-like. Meron ba pag-like? Wala ata pag-like. Heart lang, look. Oh, nawala. Ah! So cute! Guys, i-screenshot nyo nga ako. Yung may heart game. Wait lang. Nawala na naman. Nawala yung heart. Nawala. Nawala na kung kailang sabi ko i-screenshot. Nawala. Hello! Yes! How many times I told you I'm still single? It's so hard to announce. It's so. Pag-English. Nasakit yung heart para sa'yo. Hello from Indonesia. Hello, guys. I love Indonesian people. I love you all, guys. Thank you for always following me, guys. Thank you for always... Oh, hey, heart! Thank you for always supporting me, guys, from Indonesian people. Like, no comment. I love Indonesian people. Like, they're always supporting me. You are my top followers. You are my top fans. From Indonesia, from Jakarta. Yeah, from Jakarta. Really? You're single? Yes, I am. Right now. But maybe if you court me. If you court me. Short rin po sa mga bagong pasok. Hello, guys! I can dance. It's already morning. It's 2:58 in the morning. Oh my God. You got the screenshot? Thank you. Thank you so much. Ella! Hello, babe! Hello, I love you more. I miss you. Hello, Sunny. Hello, everyone. Shawi, hello po. Can you I can dance. I can dance, guys. It's already 3 a.m. in the morning. Oh my God. You just need to rest. You just need to talk to me. Talk to me. Just only talk to me here. You just comment anything you want, but not too bad. Okay? No bad comment. When will you go to Bali? Kind regards from old forgotten friend from Germany. Hello from Germany. Hello from German people. I love German. Islibidish. Islibidish. Oh, may heart na naman ulit. Islibidish. Guten Morgen from Germany. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen? Paggabi, Guten Abend. Yeah, tama naman, di ba? Woo! That's the few words that I know from Germany. Thank you for subscribe, guys, on my Alua. Thank you so much. I love it. I love you all. And also, don't forget to subscribe on my Exandria, okay? Good. And also, guys, please watch my live on Tala. I'm always live on Tala. You know Tala app, guys? Tala TV. Just don't forget to download Tala TV. Okay? And my ID is... Wait. I'm gonna show you my ID. My ID on Tala is 4498156. Again, 4498156. Oh, I have my shoe collection also, but wait. Here, did you see that? It's not too many, but I have a few shoes, a few collection. Yeah, here, yeah, but I'm not selling them, guys. It's just a few collection, not sell, not selling, not for sale. Yeah. Oh, thank you, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to follow me on Tala, guys. 4498156. Yes, that's my Tala ID. Just download, just search on Apple Store or Play Store. Tala TV, okay? Thank you, Tala TV. Just download Tala TV. Thank you so much. Yes. And my ID is, again, I'm gonna tell you my ID, 4498156. 4498156. Yes, thank you. Thank you. So yeah, napakita ko na sa inyo yung shoes ko na collection. No, I'm not tipsy. Hindi po ako nagiinom. Hindi po ako nagiinom. Hindi na po ako nagiinom. Hindi na. Occasionally na lang. Hindi na. Baka sabihin nyo, never kang uminom. Buwe, nag-i-story ka nga nang nagbabar ka eh. So anyways, yeah, just download Tala TV. Thank you. So anyways, nasa na tayo? Ang hirap mag-announce. Grabe, nag-live po ako sa IG para makapag-promote po ako ng Tala. Oh my God. Paano kita maya mag-inom? Ha? Hindi Tala loan app, Tala TV, hindi yung lending ha. Guys, Tala TV. Not yung lending. Tala TV, yes. Yep. Thank you guys. Hello from watching from Hawaii. Wow. You know what? I want to go there in Hawaii. It's my dream also. Soon I will go to Hawaii. What is my body count? Why are you always asking that? I'm still virgin. Oh, ayan, para manahimik ka na dyan. Because you keep asking me. Oh my God. Hello from Indonesia. Hello. Hello, Mateo. Hello. You was in Frankfurt. Yeah, I was there. I've been there pala. I've been there in Frankfurt. Nabubulol talaga akong banggitin yan. But my cousin is from Stuttgart. Chrissy, you've been crushed for 4 years. I want some love from you. Alvaro, thank you. Wow. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm really appreciate, guys, for those people who always supporting me, following me, like all my photos, like always watch my stories. Hello, Justine Santos. Hello. Why Saniba? Hello. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Just want to say beautiful smile, so always keep smiling. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. And guys, please take note of this. I don't have Telegram po. Okay po? I don't have Telegram. Please careful. I don't have Telegram account. I do not selling anything in Telegram. I don't have Telegram account. Okay? Kasi naaawa po ako dun sa mga tao na i-scam. Like, nagsisend, tapos binablock na, kawawa naman. Baccarat is waving. And guys, please, just play on my link. Guys, maglaro na kayo sa link ko talaga. Maswerte naman yung link ko. Ay, magkakaroon ako ng bagong link, guys. May bago akong link na paglalaroan. So, ganito yung technique. Pag malas kayo dun sa isang link ko, dun naman kayo sa isang link ko na isa. Pag malas kayo dun sa isang link, dun naman kayo sa isang link ko maglaro. Ayan. Maybe tomorrow, i-announce ko na yung isang link. I-announce ko na yung isang link na paglalaroan nyo, guys. Ayan, ayan. Pero guys, bet responsibly pa rin, ha? Like, kung meron ka lang extra, ganun, may sobra-sobra kang pera, yun lang yung ilaro mo. Huwag kang susugal sa taong hindi naman kakayang isugalan din. Ano na? Mali. Mali pala, walang ganun, Good morning po. Good morning, everyone. Thank you. Ba't wala na namang heart? Wala na yung emojing heart na naman. Wala na. Ilan na po naging ex ko? Ilan na naging ex ko? Dalawa lang, tapos ano? Dalawa lang po. Hello, Curve! Shout out from Slovakia. Wow! Hello! I hate sexy girls. Why? I'm not sexy. You can hate me because I'm not sexy. Hello from UAE. Hello po. Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan, guys. Wala pang nakakabengbang be. Oo, virgin pa. Bahala ka kung maniwala ka o hindi. Nasa sayo na. Hello po from Toronto, Canada. Hello po sa mga taga Toronto, Canada. Shala. Hello from Pakistan. Hello, love. First time watching your live. Love your speaking voice. Wow, thank you so much, guys. You know what? It's so hard for me to speak in English, guys. I really hate English. Promise. Sometimes it's so hard to speak in English. It's so hard to express. But I really understand English, guys. I really do. Of course, nag-college naman ako eh. You know, just guess what is my course when I was college, guys. Just guess. Just think what is my course when I was college. You can guess. Thank you. Yes, wala na po ako sa Bigo. Yes. Guys, follow nyo na lang po ako sa Tala. Please, thank you. Just guess, what is my course? Yes, dati, oo. Tourism? No. No. Sex course? Oh my God. Intercourse. Kayo guys, ang sasama ng comment nyo. Grabe kayo. Coops, hello. Thank you, do ever people. Thank you so much. Hindi ako lasing, guys. Hindi pa ako nagiinom. Nag-live lang ako. Grabe naman kayo sa akin. Pag ba nagla-live, nakainom lang? Grabe naman. Hindi ba pwedeng nagpo-promote ako ng mga work ko? Nursing? Hindi ako nurse. No. HRM? No. Mali. O sige, sasabihin ko na yung course ko nung college ako. Nung college ako, first year and second year sa Lyceum po ako nag-aral sa may Intramuros. Yes, sa may Intramuros, Lyceum. So, first year and second year, ako po ay Accounting for real. Accounting yung course ko. Pero nung nag-third year and fourth year na ako, nag-change ako, lumipat ako ng WCC. Alam niyo ba yung WCC? Like World City College sa may Anonas, kung familiar kayo doon. Hello, Michael! Nag-business management naman ako. Diba? Hindi rin, parang kung iisipin nyo, hindi mukha akong accounting, hindi mukhang Nagpapasexy lang naman ako, pero matalino naman ako. Nagpapasexy lang ako, pero may laman to ha, may laman to. Madami. Sindami ng laman nito. Joke lang. Joke lang yun. Joke lang. So, anyways, bakit hiwalay ang mo? Cocomelon ko. Bakit hiwalay yung cocomelon ko? Syempre, natural to, be. Anong gusto mo, peke? Pero wala akong sa mga nagpagawa. Kung saan kayo masaya, kung saan kayo mas confident, support ako sa inyo. May mga friend kasi rin ako. Pero guys, syempre, normal lang naman yun. Lalo na kung wala kang bra or wala kang Grabe ka naman. Grabe ka na sa akin, ha? Hello po rin po sa mga bagong pasok. Anyways. Pero guys, nung high school ako, guys, ang kinuha ko ay drafting technology. Hindi kayo naniniwala. Pero drafting technology ako nung high school ako sa Bawan Tech. Alam niya na mga kaklase ko. Magaling din ako mag-drawing. Not too much. Like, hindi drawing ng mga tao-tao, ganon. Mas magaling ako mag-drawing ng mga plan-plan ng mga bahay, ganon. Ganon. Kasi pag drafting technology ka, ganon yung mga namin, plan ng building, plan ng bahay, ganon kami nung high school. So, drafting technology ako nung high school, guys. Biruin nyo, diba? Parang hindi mo may imagine yun yung mga kinukuha ko nung high school, nung college. Grabe, diba? Hindi nyo ma-imagine. Hello pa rin po. Good night! Uy, may like zone. Hello. Wala na yung heart emoji. Ba't nawala, no? Nawala na. Oh, yan. So cute. Hello. Good morning. Hello, Alan. Anyways. That's impressive, honestly. Wow, thank you. Pero kasi nung college ako, guys, gustong-gusto ko talagang mag-architect ba? Gustong-gusto ko talaga. As in, gustong-gusto ko maging architect or maging engineer. Kaya nung college ako, kumuha pa rin ako ng test sa Mapua. Pero, nakapasa ako sa Mapua, pero sa Lyceum din yung bagsak ko kasi nga, accounting nga yung naging course ko nung college. Kasi nga, working student ako nung college, so nahihirapan ako, naisip ko kung mag-architect ako, paano ako pag uuwi ako sa hapon, meron pa akong plates na uuwi, yung mga ganun, yung mga drawing nga na papagawa. Hindi ko kayang gawin yun kasi nga sa hapon nagtatrabaho ako. May girl group pa ako dati noon. Kung matagal ko na kayong followers, alam niyo yung girl group ko dati. I have a girl group. Yung pangalan niya Belladonas. Kung naaalala niyo pa yun, since 2017, 2018 pa yun. I have girl group, guys. Doon ako nag-start talaga. I have girl group. Yung name niya Belladonas. Yes. Like, we dance, we sing, we perform talaga na dance and sing kami. Yes, nasa Pilipinas po ako. Yes po. What time I'm gonna sleep? Maybe 3:30. I'm gonna end my live. 3:30, guys. Hello, PJ Nas. Hello po. Good morning. I'm not doing private video. Oh my God. If you take accounting, what is the answer of you plus me? Wow! So smooth! That's good! Baby! Mag-live ka na sa Tala. Nag-live ako dito para mag-promote ng live ko sa Tala, babe. Guys, follow nyo rin si Rapsy. Nasa Tala na rin yan, guys. Kaya sabi sa inyo, mag-download na kayo ng Tala app. And don't forget to follow us po. Saan ka magaling sa pag-aaral o sa sex? Grabe naman. Oh my. Actually, both. Sabay sagot, no? Charot lang yun. What's up, 3 a.m.? Hello, good morning. Kanina. Sa akin, babe. Papakita ko sa iyo yung mga shoes mo. Sa akin tong room. Yes. This is my small bed. Yeah. This is my small bed, guys. Kasi gusto ko yung bed talaga. Nasa floor lang yung bed. Kasi hindi maingay. Ay, charot lang. So, yeah. This is my small room. Yeah. Gusto ko maliit lang. Kasi maliit lang naman. Lumipat ka na pala. Ha? Kailan ako lumipat? What do you mean? Hindi naman ako lumipat, ah. Asan kasama mo? Wala akong kasama here, guys. Hindi naman kailangan ng kasama. Nice bed. Thank you! Labubu. Wala. Ay, I have cat pala, guys. May cat ako dito. Papakita ko sa inyo. For sure, nakikita nyo naman siya sa mga story ko. Yung pangalan niya ay... Oh, tulog na ata. Si Storm. Si Storm, my baby. Ayan, gising pa pala siya, guys. So, this is Storm. My baby. So, ayun. Ito yung ating mini sala. Sobrang cute lang niya. Minimalist lang talaga. Kasi, Storm, no. Kanino yon? Alin na naman? Good night! Good night, love you. Hello from Los Angeles. Hello. Nasaan na tayo? Ay! Mimi! Hello, Mimi! Fit love. May bata sa likod. Lo, nananakot pa. Parang hindi na grade 2. Sige na. Mag-e-end na nga ako ng live ko. Guys, mag-e-end na ako ng live ko. Matutulog na ako. Hello from Australia. Hello. Hello? Country is this? Oh, we are from Philippines. Sige na, guys. I have to go. Good night. See you on my next live. I'm going to live maybe tomorrow again. Yes. Tomorrow morning. Bye-bye. Good night. I love you all. Good night. Bye-bye. Love you.